Close up. A Lego dragon tries desperately not to sneeze, nose twitching, eyes wide. Suddenly, a Lego feather floats by and tickles its snout. Aiku! Flames burst out. Only instead of destruction, the fire morphs into tiny, colorful fireworks, popping above the unsuspecting Lego town. Minifigures duck, hats fly off, and a baker's pie is flambéed mid-air. The startled townsfolk look up in awe as the sky fills with dazzling sparks. The dragon sheepishly grins. End screen. Please like, subscribe for more fun. And share this with a friend.